going to notice today that ChatGPT-5 just came out, and here's a quick summary of what to expect with this new model. So first thing, when you get to the interface, you're going to see that it's on ChatGPT-5. When you select the model, you're going to find that all of those other models that used to be there are gone. They're all assumed into GPT-5. This is the smartest, best version. The only other models that you're going to see out there is GPT-5 Thinking, and that gives you a slightly more thorough answer, which means it's going to take a little bit longer to answer. So for the average user, you're not going to need to go to GPT-5 Thinking. And there's a GPT-5 Pro. If you're paying the $200 a month, we'll get an even smarter version with research-grade intelligence. OpenAI also released a 54-page description of GPT-5. I will include this. Basically, what GPT-5 is the smartest version that we've ever used. It's far more advanced. Some of the highlights, 65 to 78% less errors, less hallucinations. If that is in fact correct, this is going to be quite the improvement. There are far more guardrails to safety. So it's going to follow copyright rules, trademark rules. Also, it's going to do a better job at avoiding disallowed content. It's going to do a better job at avoiding jailbreaks, which is basically when people would try to trick ChatGPT with a prompt to encourage it to jump paywalls on people's websites. And also, it does a better job at recognizing prompt injection, which is a serious problem with the latest feature that was just released, agent modes. So it sounds like this is going to be a much smarter version of ChatGPT. Also, you're going to notice that it's not nearly as agreeable. Gone are the days where every idea is a great idea. And it's going to be more open and honest on what it truly thinks, even if that means it doesn't like your idea. Also, I did confirm that with the voice mode. The voice mode, I feel like I'm talking to a different character now, not nearly as friendly, not nearly as agreeable, and getting more clear, concise answers, more of a professional tone. GPT-5, it's out there. It's the smartest version ever. It's going to give us better answers, less hallucinations, less errors. It's better at coding. It's better at writing. It's less agreeable, and it's better at giving advice. So that's your quick summary. Give it a try. I'd love to hear what you think about it.